Today's topic is wrist joint, that is the radiocarpal joint. Type of joint is synovial type of joint. Articular surfaces. Upper surface is inferior surface of lower end of radius and articular disc of inferior radioulnar joint. Upper articular surface is inferior surface of lower end of radius. This is and articular disc of inferior radioulnar joint. This is the articular disc and this is the inferior border of lower end of radius. Lower articular surface is scaphoid, lunate and triquetrum. This is the articular surface of wrist joint. Then ligament. Ligament is first is the radial collateral ligament. यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं it is start from tip of styloid process of radius to lateral scaphoid. That is the radial collateral ligament. Second is ulnar collateral ligament. Ulnar collateral ligament start from tip of styloid process of ulna to the triquetrum and pisiform. That is the triquetrum and pisiform bone. This is the two ligaments. Then dorsal ligament is radiocarpal ligament. It is weaker than palmar ligament. Starts above the posterior margin of lower end of radius, attached below the dorsal surface of scaphoid, lunate and triquetral bones. Then last one is intercarpal ligaments. यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं intercarpal ligaments. It is attached between the carpal bones. Blood supply of wrist joint, anterior and posterior carpal arches. Nerve supply, anterior and posterior interosseous nerves. Relations of wrist joint. Relations of wrist joint anteriorly in the sense anatomical position, long flexor tendons with their synovial sheath and median nerve. Posteriorly, extensor tendon of wrist and fingers with their synovial sheath, and laterally radial artery. Then the movements of the wrist joint. Movement of wrist joint is flexion, extension, abduction, adduction. Main muscles. Flexion. Flexion for the muscle is flexor carpi radialis, flexor carpi ulnaris, palmaris longus. Extension, extensor carpi radialis longus, extensor carpi radialis brevis, extensor carpi ulnaris. Abduction means radial deviation in the anatomical position. That is the radial deviation, that is the abduction of the wrist. It helps flexor carpi radialis, extensor carpi radialis longus, extensor carpi radialis brevis, abductor pollicis longus and extensor pollicis brevis. Adduction means in anatomical position, that is the ulnar deviation of wrist. That is the adduction of the wrist. That is flexor carpi ulnaris and extensor carpi ulnaris.